In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your website and email domains to Hubspot. This process is vital for ensuring that all your digital marketing efforts are streamlined and efficiently managed through one centralized platform. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to seamlessly integrate your domains with Hubspot, allowing you to make the most of its powerful tools. Let's get started by opening your web browser and navigating to the Hubspot website. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. If you're not already logged in, selecting this option will bring you to the sign-in screen. Here, you'll be greeted with several sign-in methods. I recommend clicking on Sign In with Google, which will conveniently let you choose the Google account associated with your HubSpot subscription. This step not only saves time, but also enhances security by leveraging Google's robust authentication protocols. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention again to the top right of your screen, where you'll find a gear icon representing Settings. Click on it to enter your settings dashboard. In Settings, you'll have a myriad of options, but for our purposes, we need to focus on the Tools section. Locate and select this section as it houses all the relevant configurations needed for domain connections. Within the Tools menu, click Content. A new layout will appear, offering options pertinent to managing your website and content. From here, proceed to Domains and URLs. Selecting this will open a detailed interface showcasing all the domains currently connected to your HubSpot account. Next, look for the button labeled Connect a Domain. Clicking on this is your gateway to begin the process of adding your new domains. A prompt will appear asking you to input your domain. Type in the domain you wish to connect and then hit Next. HubSpot will now attempt to verify your domain. This step ensures that the domain is valid and that you have the necessary permissions to connect it. After verification, you will transition into the hosting setup phase. Here, HubSpot provides instructions and options for linking the domain with your web hosting provider. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this setup. This step is crucial for ensuring that your website is fully operational and ready to be managed through HubSpot. Congratulations! You have successfully connected your domain to HubSpot. This integration will allow all your marketing campaigns, analytics, and content management tasks to be executed from one central location, enhancing both efficiency and productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more of HubSpot's features to maximize your digital marketing efforts.